Looking for a quick, healthy, high-protein meal that's ready in minutes? Let's make this crunchy cabbage egg stir-fry salad. Start by heating a pan with a little olive oil. Crack in 2 eggs and gently scramble them until soft and fluffy. Once done, set them aside. In the same pan, add chopped garlic and spring onion bulbs and sauté until fragrant. Now add thinly sliced cabbage and carrots along with salt. Stir fry on high heat for about 3–4 minutes so the veggies stay crunchy and fresh. While this cooks for 3 minutes, if you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes. Next, add the scallions, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce, and 2 teaspoons oyster sauce for that rich umami flavor. Give everything a quick stir. Now add sesame seeds and bring back the scrambled eggs, mixing everything together. And just like that, your healthy cabbage egg stir-fry salad is ready. Simple, nutritious, crunchy, and absolutely delicious. If you liked this video, please subscribe Brew and Bite Rituals for more quick, delicious recipes like this.